Introducing Loctite Clear Silicone Sealant, the ultimate solution for all your adhesive and waterproofing needs. This sealant is designed to create a permanent, waterproof seal that's perfect for metal, glass, rubber, and more. With 19031 reviews and an impressive 4.5-star rating, this product is a trusted choice for both indoor and outdoor projects. Its versatility knows no bounds. One of its best features is that it is aquarium safe, making it ideal for sealing and repairing sinks, tubs, and aquariums without worrying about harmful substances. The flexible bond resists extreme temperatures, so you can trust it to stay strong even in tough conditions. It won't crack, peel, or shrink, perfect for diverse applications. Customers rave about its performance. One user sealed the wall above their bathtub, praising its effectiveness but advising to wear gloves during application. So, if you're looking for a reliable, multi-purpose sealant for your projects, Loctite Clear Silicone Sealant checks all the boxes. Don't miss out on this game changer. If you're impressed and thinking about purchasing, make sure to check out the link in the description. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and like this video if you found it helpful.